the central plateau of Prion Island becomes the stage for a season of courting. It's important a wandering albatross takes the time to size up and settle on a good match. The partner they leave the island with at the end of summer will be their mate for life, some 50 years. Females usually initiate the meetings, which lead to a long, intricate ritual. It begins with a clacking of beaks, bouts of preening, and a noise that almost sounds like a throaty purr. It soon progresses to a dance. For minutes, sometimes hours at a time, these birds will circle each other with wings fully extended, showing off the impressive full gamut of their greatest asset. About a quarter of the time, the dance ends with the female and male nesting together. However, it's a long summer. Although wanderers pair for life, they are not monogamous.
Oh boy.
At times, courting pairs divert their attention to others. It's not unusual for a third albatross to join the dance. Females will often mate with multiple partners and produce eggs sired by a mix of fathers over their lifetimes. It's a way of maximizing a very limited breeding pattern. The wanderers lay just one egg every 2 years. Their chosen life partner will help incubate the egg, regardless of paternity. The albatross chicks remain on Prion Island for about 9 months, strengthening their wings in preparation for the long journey ahead. When they leave, they'll have attained the full length of their remarkable wingspan. The young wanderers will remain at sea alone for years. They'll drink salt water for hydration, fish from the air, and follow the polar currents. It will be nearly a decade before they return to Prion, to find their own mate, to spend the remainder of their lives wandering with.